Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you a demo of how to apply for CSIR-CECRI B.Tech program through online for All India Quota counseling. Let's quickly jump into that video. Open your browser and search for CSIR-CECRI website. Then click on the first link that appears. Choose your preferred language. I'm gonna choose English. Just scroll down. You will see what's new tab. Click view all. There you will see admission to B.Tech program 2026-27 All India Quota Counseling. Click on to that. Then you will be directed to this tab. Since we are new, we are going to register. Click this new registration button. Then in this tab, give your name as itself in your SSLC certificate and your date of birth. And your currently active email ID. Let me copy that one and paste it here. Please make sure to have this email ID active because this is the email ID where the results will be updated. Click submit. After clicking submit, your application ID will be generated and it will pop up on your screen like this. Please make sure to note it down because this application ID and your date of birth will be your username and password for your application form. After your application ID is generated, now you guys have to pay the application fee. Just go back to the previous tab. Here you can see information and instruction to candidates. Click on to that. You will be directed to a PDF. Just scroll down. I will open it in my browser. Just scroll down. There they have mentioned for general students rupees 500 and for SC/ST students rupees 250 will be the application fee and it is non-refundable. You have to pay to this account, so make a note of it. And the last day for online submission of application is 21st of July 2026 before 5 p.m. For any queries, please contact through this mail or this number. Let's take a look on what they have mentioned in the PDF. This year, there are total 10 seats for All India Quota Counseling and the minimum eligibilities are for general students, they must have scored 50% in math, physics and chemistry, and for SC/ST students, they must have scored 40% in math, physics and chemistry. And the final shortlist will be updated in the website on 27th of July 2026 Monday. So make sure to check out this website on that day. Then your photograph and signature should be less than 50 KB and your scan certificates must be less than 200 KB. I will make a separate video on the interview process and the required certificates. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and keep updated. After completing the application, please make sure to have the screenshot of that payment because we need to upload that screenshot in our application. Now let us type our application ID on 2026-0109 and my dummy date of birth and enter the captcha 3436. Just submit. Just scroll down and take a look at these instructions given here. Upload your photo here and your signature. Type your father name, select your gender, address, mobile number, alternative mobile number, select your category and state. Here give your CRL rank, category rank and JEE application number. Here type the transaction number, the date of payment, amount and the payment mode. If you have paid through UPI, just type UPI. Here give your roll number of 10th standard and 12th standard, year of passing, name of the school, address of the school and name of the board. Please make sure these informations are as same as in your certificates, and then give your marks here and upload these certificates in the given conditions, so it will upload hassle freely. Then tick the checkbox here and submit. Successfully you have submitted your application. I believe this video will be an eye-opener and useful for you guys. So please make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, please comment below. I will reach you out there. And that's all for today. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.